SMS, School Management System, Data Insertion and Role Management Design Document. Ready to transform school management? Let's dive into the school management system. We're focusing on data insertion methods and role management today. Let's start with primary roles. Students can self-register, but wait, admin approval is needed. Employees, teachers, and admins, they're added manually or through bulk imports. Easy peasy. Parents can link via their student's profile, keeping everything interconnected. Now, here's a thought. Should self-registration be exclusive to students? What do you think? Our proposed fix? A super user hierarchy. Super admin to school admin. We've got it covered. Next up, automated approval systems. Think about it. No more waiting around. All new registrations go to pending status. No submissions, but view-only access allowed. And how about API-driven checks? Say goodbye to manual approvals. Workflow breakdown time. Let's see how admins manage the teacher onboarding process. Admins can create teachers manually or through bulk import. Simple, right? Once created, the system sends an auto email to teachers with setup instructions. Teachers then reset their password and complete their profile. Let's get them set up right. After verifying, admins grant full access. The power is in your hands. What can teachers do? Create exams, assignments, and manage class announcements. Students only see content after fee payment. Fair, right? No pay, no play. And admin surveillance? Real-time metrics keep everything in check. No slipping through the cracks. Finally, exception handling protocols ensure smooth operations. Cloning permissions, no stress. Get ready to finalize the super user hierarchy and prioritize automation. The future of education awaits.